Well, this tiny nugget was just found by some nice folks on the side of the road, huddled up in the snow in kind of a remote area. It's a little flame point little girl with a little Manx tail. She's very sweet. Checked her over for injuries, don't see anything big. Is eating and very hungry and very talkative, you can see. Hi, Meow. Hi, baby. Did have a tiny bit of a bloody nose, so we're gonna keep an eye on her and make sure she didn't have a head injury. But we're getting her set up for tonight, and it's freezing outside and it's snowing, so it's a really good thing she's not out there on the side of the road anymore. There's some good people in this world. I'm looking out for these tiny nuggets on the side of the road. Yeah, that's okay, baby. We're gonna take good care of you, baby. Oh, you're just happy, huh? So happy. You gonna eat some more? You don't know? You just want some pets? Oh, honey. It's okay. I'm sorry that bad thing happened to you, but you're safe now, baby. Okay. Hi, sweetest. Hi. Oh, got some pets. Got some pets, pretty one. Yeah. You're not acting like you have a head injury. No, but we're going to keep a close eye on you tonight. Yeah. That's okay, baby. It's okay. You can make little biscuits. It's time to make some biscuits now. You ate some good food. You want to eat some more? Yeah. Look. I'll get you some more food. Here, let's get this bowl. Let's get this bowl and eat a little bit more. Good job, baby. Does anybody have a good idea for a name? Let me know. Pretty girl.